On one hard day, Peter woke up early to arrange and clean his small room. He started with the shelf.
I love coloring and drawing a lot, so I'll put my drawing things here.
First, he placed the pen holder on the top shelf. Then he added the paint jars and papers to the second shelf. Peter felt tired, but happy to make his room look better. He looked at the shelf and said,
I think I need something for decoration to make the shelf look nice.
So he added a pot with a white flower.
It's time to draw and color.
He drew a big pie, a small pond, and a pink splash. He also wrote their names under each drawing. He drew a pretty flower. When it was time to color, he paused and said,
It's better if I color the flower pink. I like pink.
He picked up the pink paint jar and placed it on the table. As he opened the lid, he heard p, 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 p. And even as he started coloring, he kept hearing p, 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 p. Potter smiled and sang, p, p, pink, p, p, pie, p, p, pond, p, p, pins. Then he turned to the kids and asked, Now, kids, what makes the p sound? P, p, pink, painted bright. P, p, pie, what a sight. P, p, pond, with flowers too. P, p, pins, red, green, and blue. P is perfect. Can you see? Say the p sound now with me.